my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a little like wish list for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. My friend gave me this idea and I thought it was great, so I wanted to do that. I need to get it up actually like real quick because it starts tomorrow, so maybe I should have been editing this video today instead of my other one. So, I'm just going to go ahead and get through it. Hopefully it'll be a pretty quick video. But so these are things that either I have and I would recommend that you get, or things that I would like or like want to repurchase. So we'll just go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so the first one I will like also mention which day that it's going to be on sale. So the first one is something that I actually have and definitely would recommend getting because it's half off. Is the Dose of Colors Desi x Katie Friendcation palette. You guys know I used this in a couple videos and I am loving it. I still need to see if they will take it back and see if I can get it replaced. I need to do that like today. So, but I definitely recommend it. It's beautiful. You've seen it in my videos. I'm trying not to like let all the blue crumbly stuff fall out, but yeah, I definitely recommend getting this. It's only $27.50 now. It was $55. Like I kind of wish I have stuff in my teeth. I kind of wish that I would have waited. I mean, I didn't know it was going to be in the 21 Days of Beauty, but I waited so long to get it. But anyway, definitely take advantage of it because that's a screaming deal. The next one that I'd recommend getting is, did I say that? That one is on sale on the 18th, so on Monday. The next one that I'd recommend getting is the MAC Paint Pot. They have, I think, soft ochre and painterly. So I have the soft ochre one. It is a great eyeshadow base. I love using it. I actually used it today and then I just set it with a powder and it's definitely works better than concealer. I am lazy a lot of times and I'll just use concealer, but this is really good and I would definitely recommend getting it. It's gonna be, it's only gonna be $11. That's so good. So good. So those are actually the only two things that I actually already have that I would recommend getting. The rest will be things that I want to get. So the next thing is going to be on sale on the 22nd, and it is the Urban Decay Primer Potion eyeshadow primer. Yeah, that one. To be honest, I actually haven't ever used it. I need to, but I always have a hard time wanting to actually buy it because it is pricey for an eyeshadow. Let me see, how much is it going to be? I mean, actually it's only like $2 more than the MAC Paint Pot one, but it's only going to be $12 now. So that is on Friday. I would definitely recommend taking advantage of it because I know it's a good primer. I want to get it. So the next one is the day after on Saturday. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil, or Brow Wiz Brow Pencil. It's so good. I've been getting the dupes, but since it's on sale now, it's about the same price as the dupes. So I would definitely recommend getting it while it's on sale. I know they had this last year too when it on the 21 Days of Beauty. So I think that one's a pretty common one for this, where they usually have it half off because it is such a cult favorite. So definitely recommend getting it. It's really, really good. So the next one is March 26th. That's going to be on sale. It's the Ofra Cosmetics Nikkie Highlighter Trio. Nikkie Tutorials Highlighter Trio. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to get some of her highlighters because you guys know I'm obsessed with my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter and Pillow Talk. And Nikkie Tutorials is like the highlighting queen, so I know I'm going to love it. And it's only going to be $14.50 and you get 3 highlighters. I can tell that one of them definitely would be too dark for me, but I can still use the other 2. It'll be great, and I'm so excited. I have to get that one. The next one that I want to try out is the Tartelette Toasted Eyeshadow Palette. That one's going to be on sale on March 29th. It's only going to be $19.50 instead of $39. I've been wanting to try Tarte eyeshadows for a while. I never have. I don't know why. There's always something else that comes that I want to try even more. So, but it's a great price. So we shall see. I don't know if I will be getting everything, but I at least definitely want to get a few of the things. Then there's only like a couple other things. So the next one is not until April 4th, and that is the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint and Glossy Lip Paint. So I assume they have like 2 different ones that they're on sale, but they're only going to be $10, and I like their formulation of their like liquid lipsticks and stuff. They're really nice. So that is a steal because that's pretty much the same price as drugstore lip products, or at least most of them. So that is definitely a steal. And the last and final one that I would recommend, you know what, actually let me back up. There's one more thing that I would actually recommend that I have used and I really love. The Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. That's a really good eyeliner if you like more of like a felt tip. Personally right now I'm loving gel liners. I feel like they're really easy to work with. But that was one of the best felt tip pen liners that I've ever used. So that's only going to be $11, so that's a steal. It stays on really well. It's very black. It's waterproof. It's not going to like transfer anything. It's really good. Okay, so then the last and final thing, did I say that was on March 30th? Sorry, I like backed up. So that one's March 30th. And then the Tarte liquid lipstick and gloss paint or whatever, that's on April 4th. And then the last and final thing that I would recommend that I have actually is the Too Faced bronzer. So I have the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. You guys know I've been using like in all my videos. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. And it smells like heaven and chocolate. So they're only going to be $15, which is a steal again. So I would definitely recommend getting that for a bronzer. It's really, really good. So that concludes my like wish list slash what I would recommend you get during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I will try to get it up by tomorrow, so you will be able to know all the other things that I recommend. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have everything in the description box below. I'll have like mentioned all the products that I recommend, as well as like my Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!